How dare you send your migrants to point guns at me?
You're looking for my trouble.
Have you ever heard that my descendants failed in any conquest?
Listen, I don't have any business with you. You are the one who's looking for trouble.
Hey. You have business with me. You have business with someone I have business with. Where is she? Where the fuck is she?
I don't know.
Oh, you think I'm here for jokes? You think I'm here for play? When next I'm here, even the universe is gonna be against you. Don't fucking play on me. I'm serious. I'm fucking serious. You like what you see? You like what you see? I'll be back.
She can do anything as far as money is concerned.
Why did you let him in?
I'm sorry, madam, I forgot, ma.
How many times have I warned you never to let strangers in?
I'm sorry, madam, I forgot, ma. I'm sorry, ma.
She doesn't care at all.
Where are you?
If I saw you,
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.